Hello, good afternoon, Mr. X's class, and good morning to my class. We're going to talk today about the word format, which is the first word of the year for English 4, level 4. It's the first word of week 1, quarter 1. So format is a word that has two definitions, which each have a different part of speech. So one, noun. The noun format is the general arrangement, plan, design, etc. of something. So it's often physical arrangement, like the way things are set up somehow. Like you could talk about the format of chairs in the room or something like that, the way buildings are arranged. And a common way to use it is for pictures or words in a text, like in a newspaper, in an article, something like that. So the format of an essay, for example. So here is a sentence with that. MLA format requires 1-inch margins. So MLA format is a set of rules basically about how to arrange. It's a way to arrange your essay, and it has different rules about the size of the font. Font means the letters. What type of letters, what type of font to use, how big the margins on the side of your page should be, 1 inch. That's part of it. So you guys should know that by now, by English 4, right? But that's one use of format. MLA format means MLA arrangement of your essay. You arrange your essay in that way because those are the rules for how to do an essay. That's the way essays should be arranged for college English classes and usually history classes. Okay, then definition 2 is a verb, and it means to arrange text in a particular way on a page or screen. So that means putting the words in the right place, in the right way, in the right size, all those things. The way the words look on the page, you put them in a certain way. You move them so they look a certain way. So it's the action of moving them. The first one, the noun, is the way they look. And as I said, the first one can be words. It can be other things too. Can be time. Can be like presidential debates. They talk about the presidential debate format, which is like how it's arranged, how much time each presidential candidate has to talk. There are rules. They set that up. Each candidate talks for this amount of time, then they respond to the other candidate. They get a chance to respond after the first person talks. So that's a format. You can use the word format for a debate. That's like the way the time is arranged. It's often space, can also be time. Okay, the verb is putting the text in particular places on a page or screen. And actually the sentence that you'll copy on the back of your card, it says here, sentence to copy for the back of your card, is this one with the verb. You need to format your essay according to your teacher's requirements. That's our official sentence. Copy it on the back of your card. And it means to put your essays, to arrange the parts of your essay on the page according to the requirements that your teacher gives you. All right, in Spanish, the word is formato, the noun. Organizar is the verb, but be careful because it's not every meaning of organizar. It's only organizar palabras, organizar texto. So you cannot say, I'm going to format my socks. That is not correct. You could organize your socks, but you can't format your socks because your socks are not text on a page or a screen. Okay, so a more specific form of organizar texto. Word families, we have formatted. Ed is an adjective describing, for example, I could say the formatted essay, or you could say the essay was badly formatted. It was organized, arranged in a bad way. And formatted there describes the essay, the badly formatted essay that describes the essay. So words with ed can be past tense of a verb, but they can also be adjectives sometimes, and this is a case where it's an adjective. You can figure it out from the context. So adjective, word family, formatted, note the double T. And synonyms, arrangement or setup. And then also to set up as a verb could be a synonym for number 2. And that is about it for format. I'll step back a minute so you can look. Thank you for watching today.